Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 1 of chapter hydrocarbons. An aqueous solution of sodium acetate on electrolysis gives ethane as one of the products. This reaction is known as, electrolysis ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ aqueous solution of sodium acetate on electrolysis. Yes. Your prediction is correct. Option B, coal-based electrolysis is the correct answer. Okay. Woods reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ in Woods reaction? Alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal to give higher alkane. Higher alkane ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Option A is wrong. Option B, coal-based reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sodium acetate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Sodium acetate when reacts with on electrolysis aqueous solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ H2O ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. CH3COON ಏನನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಈಥೇನ್ as one of the products. CH3CH3 ಈಥೇನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಥವಾ C2H6 ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಈಥೇನ್ as one of the product. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2CH3COON ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ CH3CH3 ಎರಡು ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ H2 plus carbon dioxide is released, NaOH is formed. Yes, this is coal-based electrolysis. ಇಲ್ಲಿ free radicals, alkyl free radicals are formed and they combine to form alkene. Thank you.